so today I'm on Kayla's channel, and we're going to be telling people to honk on their horns, and if they do it, then good. If they don't, then it's a failure. But we tried a practice route, and we got like 6 people to honk their horns, and that was like out of 8. So, let's see. All right.
Also, if we can find some random people walking by, we're going to do funny reactions. Like I said, free Shabakadu to another guy. There was this other guy walking down the alley, and I said, do you know the way? And he said, yeah, just nodding his head slightly, and I had to get deleted because we paused it. But hey, there's somebody coming, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Right into the video.
Let's get into the video.
Honk your horn. Honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk.
Yeah, we got one. We got one. No, guys, don't sit on the road.
Do you know the way?
No, stop. Shut up.
Honk your horn.
That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. We got 2. We got 2. We got 2. Yeah! He knows the way. He knows the way. Don't ask old people. Oh, guys, honk your horn. Honk your horn. Oh, well, that's 1 down. We got 2 now, and 1 did it. Ah. Wait. We're doing a YouTube video.
I dropped all my mints. I dropped them.
And we're asking people if they could.
I like your boots. I'm wearing my poking out ring.
I needed them this morning. Boy, I'm telling you.
What? Hey,
Guys, I think I hear a car coming.
do you know the way?
No, don't. I told you not to ask old people. Yes, it is. Don't ask old people. Guys, a car's coming.
Honk! Honk! Honk your horn!
Honk your horn. Oh, dang it. It's 2 to 2. I want to see who wins. Cruel people or nice people. That's 2 to 2. 2 people honked, 2 people didn't. No, well, ask her if she can honk. Never mind. Someone's going by. Really? Yay, we got 2. We got 3 to 2. Nice people. It has 3.
Can you honk me, please?
She just ignored her. She just ignored her.
Okay, now somebody's coming, guys, so...
Oh, someone's coming, but they're all the way down there.
No, somebody's coming back. Somebody's walking. Come on.
It's the same guy.
Oh, well, we gotta ask him. You know the way.
We already did.
Then ask him if you like shrimp.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you for honking your horn. You're on YouTube.
No, this is a different guy, I believe. Yeah.
You guys can ask him. I'm not allowed down there.
Okay, we'll ask him.
I'll zoom it in. Guys, a car. Never mind. Does he know Dwayne?
Do you know the way? No, he does not know the way. Aww. Do you know the way? Do you know the way?
Yeah.
We're gonna start asking each other.
Do you know the way?
Yes.
Do I know the way?
I know the way.
All right, wait.
I know the way.
No, we gotta wait.
I know the way.
That was the guy that we asked before. Anyway,
I know the way.
So now we gotta ask we're gonna do about 4 more cars, okay, guys?
And also, we can't be asking them random questions like, do you like shrimp? We've got to ask them funny things. We have to say like, fresh Shabakadu.
Oh, guys.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn!
Yay! That's 4 to 2. That's 4 nice people and 2 cruel people. Woohoo! And guys, don't think we're taking it like weird or something. It's just that cruel people don't want to honk their horns just for sweet little kids like us. So yeah, but there's 4 people that did it and 2 people who didn't. So yeah.
I'm getting 4 times.
Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and
I'm bored. I'm doing.
We're not going. We're leaving. We're not leaving. I meant we're gonna leave after 3 more cars. happy people.
Yeah, that was Joey too. Joey's really nice. He fixes cars for random people. You only have to pay a little bit.
Okay, now we're doing 2 more cars. Another car's coming. Honk your horn! Yay! That's 6 cool people and 3. No, I mean that's 6 happy people and honk your horn! Oh. Well, that is 4 cruel people. Hey guys!
Come here!
That's them all the way down there. That's those 2 yellow jackets. All the way down there. So we're gonna do 1 more car. We gotta wait till it honks. So we have 4 cruel people. We have 4 cruel people and 6 happy people. Guys, car! Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
She honked.
No, she didn't.
She honked a little bit. I heard it.
Okay, well that wasn't a honk to me. Anyway, so 5 cruel people and 6 happy people. We're waiting for another horn honk.
Now we're gonna start doing some stuff.
Here's another car.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn! That's 6 to 6. Let's see what the next car is. That's 6 happy people and 6 cruel people.
Yes, we got a truck. Come on. Hey, we got eBay.
That's not eBay.
That's up.
That's up. That's up right there.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn! What? That's 7 cool people and 6 happy people. This life is misery. Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Yes! Okay, now it's tied. We're gonna see who's next. So now we're gonna do 1 more actually because we want to see who wins. Cruel or happy? It's tied to 7 to 7.
What? You're coming back.
Honk your horn! Oh no, it's 8 cool people and 7 happy people. Oh well. You guys want to do 1 more?
Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna do 1. We have to have happy ones, so we're gonna once we have another beep, then we'll do something else. Oh, someone's calling me.
Who is it?
Emily.
Emily, right?